So today we're going to be expanding our home gym with this heavy duty freestanding punching bag by FITVEN. We're excited to see what it's all about. I'm going to unbox it, show you what that process is, install it, and then you can see the end result. So let's begin. All right, so what they recommend to do is fill the base up with water or sand. So I am gonna go fill this up with some play sand that I have already purchased, and I'll be right back. Now, after you filled it up with sand, you're gonna take this plug. Just make sure you put the plug in so that way no sand does come out afterwards. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put these suction cups on the bottom. Simply just twist them on, really easy. So now you're gonna lift it up. Make sure all that sand is kind of level there. And then it's gonna be left in this corner. And you're just gonna simply drop it down. And now, it ain't going anywhere. Next up, you're gonna screw the top to the base. The tool that they did provide, in case you don't have any tools, they do give you a small little wrench, so that way you could attach the base with all of these bolts. And just like that, that's how simple it is to install this punching bag. As you can see, I am 6 foot, so gives you a general idea about how high it is. The material is heavy duty, so it's gonna be able to take a pounding, if you know what I mean. And the plastic is heavy duty plastic on the bottom that I put about 50 pounds of sand in, and you have all those suction cups on the bottom. Now, from the top to the base, you do have 4 springs that are also heavy duty to do the shock absorbing. And this kit also comes with your very own punching gloves, so that way you are ready to start working out the moment you set this up. Definitely recommend this product. Go out, grab your new punching bag today. I know I'm gonna have a good time with it, and I think you will too. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.